Hi, it's Courtney with Fraisa's Tool Lab, and it's time for a product highlight. If you machine steels harder than 48 Rockwell, you're gonna love our all-new HX NVS that accomplishes the job quickly, efficiently, and safely. Our new HX NVS roughing end mill is the ideal solution for high performance and high dynamic cutting of hardened steels. These specially developed tools also have excellent penetration capabilities with entry angles of up to 5 degrees. We are now able to engage material 10 times faster than conventional end mills used to machine hardened steels. Along with our tool expert, which is Fraisa's premier online speed and feed calculator, selection of speeds and feeds based on the material type you want to machine has never been easier. Select the material type or hardness you would like to machine, then select the application, either high performance cutting, high dynamic cutting, pre-finishing, finishing, or helical entry. From here, Tool Expert provides you with proven cutting parameters that are not only safe, but sure to save you time and ultimately make you more profitable. Downloading a PDF setup sheet takes only one click and gives you all the necessary cutting parameters to get started. In this demonstration, we are using an 8mm HX NVS in high dynamic cutting of D2 heat treated to 60 Rockwell. We are using the full flute length of 19 millimeters in a radial infeed of 0.2 millimeters or 8/1000ths of an inch. Spindle speed of 4,095 RPM and a feed rate of 2,062 millimeters per minute or 81 inches per minute. This gives us a metal removal rate of just under half a cubic inch per minute. This next demonstration, we are using a 6mm HX NVS in helical ramping and high dynamic cutting of H13 heat treated to 50 Rockwell. We are ramping at 5 degrees with a spindle speed of 3,980 RPM and a feed rate of 637 millimeters per minute or 25 inches per minute. We are using the full flute length of 13 millimeters and a radial infeed of 0.3 millimeters or 12/1000ths of an inch. Spindle speed of 6,880 RPM and a feed rate of 4,018 millimeters per minute or 158 inches per minute. This gives us a metal removal rate of just under 1 cubic inch per minute. There you have it. Another high-tech innovation from Fraisa, guaranteed to save you time and money. For more information on our all-new HX NVS and to see the performance for yourself with a risk-free trial tool, contact us at toollab@fraisausa.com or visit us at fraisa.com. Subscribe now and start benefiting from thousands of hours of development and testing.